क्लासेस है जो तो बराबर
6th.
no
sir,
you are
6.
wrong, you are wrong.
Sir,
Please check out properly.
sir, અમે લોકો
Sir,
6th માં
six
છીએ.
માં છીએ.
અરે હું તો 4th માં ક્લાસ લેવા આવ્યો છું. શિટ યાર. હવે ચલો રેશિયો, વર્ડ રેશિયો means what? Who will tell me ratio એટલે શું? The word ratio stands for comparing two quantities. What do you mean by ratio?
Comparing to
Comparing.
quantity.
સમજાઈ ગયું બધાયને કે
Yes.
નહીં? Ratio means comparing two quantities. Okay?
Yes.
How? Sir, કેવી રીતે? For example, if in the class there are 20 girls and 30 boys. Sorry, boys. Barabar? 20 girls and 30 boys. So, now the concept is what is the ratio of girls to boys in the class? Ratio of, wait, ratio of number of girls to number of boys. So what? How can I write ratio? Number of girls is 20 is to 30. Now what do you mean by this? Two dots in an vertical line. Two dots. This is the symbol of what? Symbol of what?
Symbol of
Ratio.
સમજાય છે શું છે ઈ?
Yes.
This two dots is the symbol of ratio. This 20 is to 30 means this is ratio what we are finding. Now this has to be written as 20 divided by 30. સમજાણું કે નહીં?
Yes.
Are
Yes,
you
sir.
getting? Are you all getting the concept or not?
Yes.
Girls, I'm asking to you, all of you. Are you all
yes.
getting this concept? What do you mean by ratio? Now, this we have to divide. 0, 0 got cancelled, so 2 and 3 cannot divide by each other. So 2 upon 3 is the basic lowest term what we found. So we have to write the lowest term as 2 in numerator. So 220 no છે is to 3 is our answer. This is the ratio. જ્યારે 3 boys છે ક્લાસમાં ત્યારે 2 girls છે ક્લાસમાં. Out of 50 students, 30 are boys and 20 are girls. So જ્યારે 3 છોકરાઓ છે ત્યારે 2 છોકરી છે ક્લાસમાં. This is what known as ratio. Ratio means we have to compare two quantities. At the number of students that we can compare kilometers also, we can compare height and weight also, we can compare rupees and paisa also, we can compare liter and milliliter also. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં? What do you mean by ratio? We have to
Yes.
compare any two quantities in between. That's it. That's it. સમજ પડે છે?
Yes. Yes, sir.
સમજાઈ ગયું ને? આનું કોઈ બીજું ડીપ એક્સપ્લેનેશન નથી. આ જ સમ છે ને આ જ આપણો ચેપ્ટર છે. બધા सम्स આ રીતના જ છે. Now what do you mean by proportion? Who will tell me what do you mean by proportion? Can anyone tell me what do you mean by proportion? કે નહીં?
સર પ્રપોર્શન એટલે પાર્ટ.
કોના પાર્ટ? Comparing two ratios. Comparing two ratios. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
If, for example, now, first of all, I will remove this. Okay, chalo. Comparing two ratios means what? We have to compare two ratios, and this is the symbol of proportion. આ ચાર ડોટ ને શું કહેવાય? It's the symbol of proportion. આ two dot ને શું કહેવાય?
Ratio.
It's the symbol of.
Ratio.
સમજાયું બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say this is a symbol compared to ratio, બે ratio ને compare કરીએ ત્યારે શું કહેવાય? Proportion. Now, proportion ક્યારે હોય? When both the ratios are equal, are equivalent. If it is not equivalent, we cannot say that both the ratios are in proportion. Proportion means, a word proportion means it has to be compulsory equal. For example, first ratio was what? 20:30. First ratio શું હતો આપણો? 20:30, right? If I say second ratio, what we have to go through is 40:60. Now we have to check out whether these both the ratios are in proportion or not. So what we will do? બંનેનું આપણે calculation કરશું. 20/30 over here. Yes or no? 0 got cancelled. We will get 2/3. So 2 and 3 is not divided with each other. So આનો ratio શું મળ્યો? 2:3. Are you getting? Now we will compare this. 40/60. 0 got cancelled here. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now 2 and 3 can we divide with each other? આ બે થાય એકબીજા સાથે? નો થાય. So 2:3 is the answer for this also. So બંનેનો રેશિયો શું આવ્યો? Equal આવ્યો. That means these two ratios are in proportion. Is that clear?
Yes.
If the things must not be equal, અહીંયા for example અહીંયા 2:3 ની જગ્યા 3:2 મળ્યું હોય આપણે, that means both the ratios are not equal. That means both the ratios are not in proportion. समझ पड़ी गई girls?
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt between the word ratio and proportion?
No, sir.
Shall we start with our new chapter, exercise 12.1? આની બહારનું કાંઈ છે જ નહીં. Not a single word, not a single sum. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, we gonna start with exercise 12.1. We're gonna start with exercise 12.1. Okay? Chalo, let's do it. Question number 1. Who will read this question? એ પેલો જ એક્ઝામ્પલ વાળો આવ્યો જો. ચલો રીડ કરો.
Yes. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in class.
Okay, wait. Understand the concept. There are how many girls? 20 girls. And how many boys? 15 boys.
15.
So we have both the numbers in the class. Now what are the content we have to follow? There are two sums we have to follow. What are they? Please read. First sum, A. Please read this.
Yes, sir. Number A. What is the ratio of number of girls in girls to the number of boys. What is the ratio of girls to the total number of students in the class?
ઓકે, હવે તમારા પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂ થી મને કહો કે what we have to compare in question A. We have to compare between girls and boys.
Yes.
So girls and boys તો question માં આપેલા છે. What do we have to compare in question number B? Who will tell me? Come on, girls. તો હું શાંતિથી બેઠી જાઉં કે તમે આન્સર આપશો મને? Girls, I'm waiting for all
Yes,
of
sir.
you. આન્સર
Yes,
આપશો કે હું બેસી જાઉં શાંતિથી?
આપશું.
હા, તો સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં શું કમ્પેર કરવાનું છે?
Girls and total number of students.
So girls we don't have total number of students, right? So we have
Yes.
to first thing follow is first thing whatever things it given we have to write in the answer. How to write the answers? Let me clear you. Answer A, answer 1 for example, sorry, answer number 1. Okay, હવે જે વસ્તુ આપેલી છે એ વસ્તુ પહેલા ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાની. Number of girls in the class. Then number of girls in the class કેટલી હતી? 20 girls.
Yes. Yes.
Number of boys in the class 15. હવે આ બે માં આપણું કામ થતું નથી. હજી એક વસ્તુ રિક્વાયર્ડ છે. શું કામ રિક્વાયર્ડ છે? કે ભાઈ ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માંગે છે એ લોકો, because we have to compare along with girls in question number B. So whatever things we don't have, we have to calculate and we have to keep that. Okay, so third step will be the total number of students is equal to 20 girls, 20 girls plus 15 boys. Am I correct?
Yes.
समझ पड़ी के नहीं? Is equal to
Yes.
we found 35 as a total number of students. So we got all three contents what we required for the sum to calculate and compare. Now answer number A. Ratio of number of girls to number of boys. એ જ છે ને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં, number of girls to number of boys. બરાબર? તો આ એકાદ બે સમ કરાવી છે એટલે તમને આઈડિયા આવી જશે પછી કે એક ના એક સમ બધા નહીં કરાવવું. બધા આખી એક્સરસાઇઝમાં એક ના એક જ સમ છે, બીજું કાંઈ છે જ નહીં. Can I write 20 is to 15? Number of girls are what? 20. Number of boys are what? 15. So can I write 20 is to 15? We are finding the ratio of number of girls to number of boys, means number of girls pela levanu. To number of boys means we have to compare with boys, so boys pachi levanu. Anybody has any doubt with this?
Yes, sir.
Girls,
No, sir.
anybody has any doubt with this? So can I write 20 upon 15 here?
Yes, sir.
5 fours are, 5 threes are. So 4 and 3, can we divide with each other? No. So answer is 4 is to 3 is our answer for the first answer number A. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes,
Chalo.
sir.
Answer number B. We are writing here. Answer B. Ratio, કેનો find કરવાનો છે? Ratio of number of girls to total number of students. बराबर ने कि नहीं? So can I write 20 number of girls were there is to 35 is the total number of students? Is that clear? So can I write 20 upon 35? 5 fours are 20, 5 sevens are 35. So 4 upon 7 we got. 4 and 7 cannot divide with each other. So can I say 4 is to 7 is the ratio of the 20 is to 35? So we found our answer number 1 is complete. Is that clear how we have to do? બોલો આમાં કોઈને doubt છે?
No.
Anybody has any doubt with this? Girls?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, let us check the answer. Are we correct or not? The ratio of girls to that of boys, 20 upon 15, 4 is to 3. Do we got the correct answer? Okay. Second, ratio of girls to the total number of students. So 20 upon 20 plus 15. આ લોકોએ અલગ લીધું છે, આપણે પહેલેથી કરી નાખ્યું છે. So 20 upon 35, 4 is to 7 is the answer. So we got 4 is to 7 here. So this is the method what we have to follow for the whole chapter to complete our all the sums. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Sure ne bachcha party?
Yes.
Paku paku?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Question number 2. Please read this question.
Sir, can I read?
Yes.
Number 2. Out of 30 students in a class, the football, 12
Here 6,
like
yeah? 6 likes football. 6 students like football. Here
6,
printing error છે. હા, 6 like football,
6
12
like
like
football, 12 like cricket, and remaining like tennis. Find
Okay.
the ratio of
Okay.
number A. Number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis.
Okay.
Number B. Number of students liking cricket to total number of students.
Okay. Now, total number of students are given 30. Football, we got the figure. We got cricket. We don't have one figure that is tennis. Number of student of tennis. So, સૌથી પહેલા શું કરવાનું કે આપણે જેટલું આપેલું છે એ પહેલા ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવાનું, પછી જે આપણે રિક્વાયર્ડ છે, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ફૂટબોલ અને ટેનિસને કમ્પેર કરવાનું, પણ ટેનિસ તો આપણી પાસે છે નહીં. આર યુ ગેટિંગ? સો વી હેવ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ ટેનિસ and then we have to check. હવે કાંઈ બાકી છે તો ક્રિકેટ અને ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, તો એ બંને છે આપણી પાસે. સો નો નીડ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ એનીથિંગ એલ્સ, રાઈટ? ખાલી ટેનિસ ફાઇન્ડ કરી નાખો અને ઓલ 3 જે આપેલું છે એ લખી નાખો. then we have to start with answer number A. all right? સમજ પડે છે શું કરવાનું છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
ચલો. અરે answer number 2. ચલો. number of students like football is equal to 6. સૌથી પહેલું આવશે the total number of students is equal to કેટલા છે? 30. correct? Then, wait. Then, number of students. अरे, like cricket. What is the ratio of cricket? 12 students. બરાબર ને? It is written in question. Sir, ઘરેથી કાંઈ લાવ્યા નથી હો. Number of students like tennis. હવે ટોટલ આપણી પાસે કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ હતા? 30. Are you getting? Out of 30, 6 and 12 are sought out in football and cricket. So rest will be for the tennis. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can I write 30 minus 6 plus 12 is 18? Which is equal to 12. So tennis કેટલો મળ્યો આપણે? This 2 is 18. આ બંનેનો ટોટલ કરીએ, that will be 18. So 18 ને 30 માંથી subtract કરો એટલે rest of the number is for tennis. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes.
Now can we start with answer number A? Answer A. Ratio of what? The ratio of liking football to the student liking tennis. So ratio of liking football to tennis. બરાબર છે? Any doubt with this? So football કેટલા છે? It is 6 is to tennis કેટલું મળ્યું? 12. Am I correct now?
Yes.
Now what we have to write? 6 upon 12 here. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So can we divide 1 upon 12 with each other? No. So 1 is to 2 is the ratio for this. જ્યારે બે છોકરાને ટેનિસ ગમે છે ત્યારે એક છોકરાને ફૂટબોલ ગમે છે. જ્યારે એક છોકરાને ફૂટબોલ ગમે છે ત્યારે બે છોકરાઓને ટેનિસ ગમે છે. Anybody has any doubt with this? Girls, doubt
No,
છે
sir.
પ્રજાપતિ?
No, sir.
ચલો B, sum number B. Sum number B, number of students liking cricket to number of students to the total number of students. Chalo. So ratio of number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So can I write this as number of students like cricket is 12 is to total number of student is 30. Sorry. बराबर છે ભાઈ કે नहीं? So can I write 12 upon 30 here?
Yes, sir.
2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 2 15s are 30. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So we got 2 upon 5. So can we write 2 is to 5 here? જ્યારે 5 છોકરાઓ ટોટલ હોય છે, 5 છોકરાઓમાંથી 2 છોકરાને ક્રિકેટ ગમે છે. Understood? Ratio is what? ક્લાસમાં ક્લાસમાં 5 છોકરામાંથી 2 છોકરાની એવરેજ આવે છે કે જેને ક્રિકેટ ગમે છે. That is what we can say. Out of 5 number of students in the class, there are 2 students compulsory who like cricket. So this is what we have finished question number 2. Any doubt with this? Girls, I am asking to you.
No, sir.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sure, chalo khudano shukar. Question number 3. See the figure and find the ratio. Figure is one rectangle છે એક મોટું, right or wrong? એની અંદર અમુક diagrams છે. So can we calculate 1 square, 2 square? 2 squares are there, 1 circle, 2 circle, 2 circles are there. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangles. 3 triangles are there, right? Now, what we have to compare? A, B, C, 3 contents are given. Number A, what is number A? Number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle. So number of triangles ne compare karwana છે along with number of circles. So what are the number of triangles in the rectangle given? કેટલા triangle છે ભાઈ?
3,
And what are the number of circles given?
2,
That's it. Number of squares to all the figure inside this rectangle. Number of squares are how many?
2,
2. And to all the figures inside the rectangle. હવે rectangle ની અંદર total number of figures કેટલા છે?
7.
That's it. So we required the content. Answer number 3. Chalo, I'll do for you. Answer number 3. સૌથી પહેલા number of circle is equal to 2. Then number of squares is
2,
equal to 2. Then number of triangle is equal to 3. And total number of figures inside the rectangle is equal to 7. बराबर ना कि नहीं? If you want to write number of circle inside the rectangle, it's fine. We can write here, huh? Inside the rectangle, fine. Inside the rectangle is fine. Okay, girls? Anybody has any doubt? Now, can we start with some number A? Ratio, what compare? We have to compare number of triangles to the number of circles. So, our starting point is ratio of number of triangles to number of circle. बराबर ना? First term. So can I write number of triangles are 3 is to 2. Number of circles are 2. So my job is, first thing, my job is to place this in division form. Barabar na? 3 upon 2. Now we will check 3 and 2 is divided with each other, not divided with each other. It is not divided by each other. So the same thing will be placed in the form of ratio. So 3 is to 2 itself is the ratio of number of triangles to number of circle. સમજાય છે content? બચ્ચા પાર્ટી?
Yes, sir.
Easy છે ને chapter?
Yes.
It is very easy and scoring chapter. Huh? Number B. Same content. Chalo. Number B. Number of squares to the total number of figures inside the circle, inside the rectangle. આપણે આ કરીએ છીએ. Number of squares to all the figure inside the rectangle. So, ratio of number of squares to the total figures inside the rectangle. Okay, so can I write number of squares are what? 2 is to total number of figures are what? 7. Okay, so can I write here as 2 upon 7?
Yes.
Now we check out 2 and 7 is divided by each other? No. So 2 is to 7 is the answer itself for the ratio of this. Understood?
Yes.
Sum number C. Chalo. What is sum number C? Number of circles. Number of circle to all the figures inside the rectangle. Again the same. Ratio of number of circles to the total figures inside the rectangle. So what are they? Number of circles are how much? 2. And number of total number of figures are 7. So again, can I write 2 upon 7 here? 2 is to 7 means 2 upon 7. Now, are they divided with each other? No. So 2 is to 7 is itself is our answer. Our sum number 3 is over. બોલો છે તકલીફ કોઈને? કટ થતું હોય તો કટ કરીને આપણે રેશિયો મૂકી દેવાનો. આમાં કટ થતું નથી તો એનો એ આન્સર આવે છે. Understood, girls? Anybody has any doubt with this contents?
No.
Sure ना बच्चा पार्टी?
Yes.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 रीड करो जल्दी. चलो जल्दी.
Distances traveled by Hamid and
अख्तर.
in an hour are 9 kilometer and 12 kilometer. Find the
Okay.
ratio of speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar.
Now 1 hour is common for both. 1 hour is common for both. For Akhtar and Hamid. Right? We have to simply find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. So first of all, we should write down the distance traveled, answer number 4. Traveled by Hamid in 1 hour. 1 hour is common, so no need to write in all. So in 1 hour 9 kilometer. Then second step was distance traveled by Akhtar in 1 hour is equal to 12 kilometer. Okay. Okay, girls. Now we have to find ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Any doubt with this? So can I write 9 is to 12? Now we can solve this sum. Can I write 9 upon 12? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So can I write 3 upon 4? as 3:4 here. સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes.
સમજાય છે.
સમજાણું ને? Do we got 3/4 here as our answer? Ratio of Hamid to the speed of ratio of Akhtar. 3:4 is the correct answer. Chalo. Your homework is to complete up till question number 4 one time in your rough book and complete one time in your fair book. All of you. Okay? And for the rest of the sums, we will continue in our next lecture. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Chalo,
Thank
do
you,
take
sir.
care of yourself, take care of your health very well, and enjoy your next lecture as well. Have a nice time, girls. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Khuda Hafiz, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.